Haiku, Song of Freedom. As the rain falls here, many quarrels just get wet, but we'll feel the rain.
Olótìtọ́ tí ń bẹ nílé ayé òpógún síkásíká bẹ́ẹ̀ wọ́n mọ́ níwọ̀n ẹgbẹ̀fà ọjọ́ ẹ̀san ò lọ títí kò jẹ́ kọ́rọ̀ náà dùn ní ilé ayé òtún bá ń tẹ́ ànílára lọ́jà kọjọ́ tó pẹ́ rántí ọjọ́ ẹ̀san kò ní pẹ́ rárá tẹ́tí kò gbọ́ odò tó bá gbégi ní bùnbù àti sanrẹ̀ yóò ní àní Yorùbá kúkú wí tètè jáwọ́ o kò ronú pìwàdà ànílára atẹnimẹ́ẹ̀ lọ jáwọ́ o.
Can I catapult you to Kwara State, where Shao's hands are chained, where the juries on us are bottomless pits, dangling around our necks like Soweto's memories, where Shao's talents shatter like a homeless Jew, where our mind's mirror receives stones from the Almighty. Though the heaven is wide, but our birds cannot fly. Their eyes folded by the unjust turban, white outside but made from bear. Their feathers tied by the tesbir of Pharaoh.
It is time we sang a song to the oppressed beat of our gang. The timeland is impregnated of a ban, birthing apart fruitful trees from tan. The land is ours, yes, we hold no sojourn. All slaves' head, our history wears a fine gown. Let no black arrow brings it down. Every act sailing oppression shall drown into a wide sea, red or brown. Trainers of devil, though hold frown, but leave walls apart right and wrong. In the land next, your image you've son, the time power shall be to none.
Oh, people of Shao, truth is always on the throne with a big crown.
No oppressor ever gets it overthrown. The road to freedom might be by the shape you turn. It's a walk through the night to the dawn. It is a duty on us, victory of our town. To Ilorin, we may seem as a clown, but in your eyes, at the second, it shall be done. Of a day, markets of injustice shall be closed down. The preaching and talking has been done. From heat, fear is free to be drawn. Oppressors, nothing we've wanted, but let our freedom be banned. In the moonlight story, what Ilorin has done, I shall narrate to the ears of my son. That whatever prison of conscience and behavior lets down, we've got no regrets, but Shao is our hometown. And in the last hour, free at last, shall be our final song.